Hey guys, welcome back to SRK Photos YouTube channel. Nowadays, these types of photos are trending every social media platform. It's very easy guys, you don't need to download any app for this editing. It's totally free, so without wasting time, watch video till the end, let's start. First step, open Google, Chrome or any browser you have. I'm opening Google app. Now click on search bar and just type Gemini AI and just search it. Okay, now click on first search option and you will see this interface. Now simply click on banana create image. Okay, now next click on this plus symbol and upload files. Now just select the photo you want to create, you want to edit. Okay. So I have selected this photo. Now click on describe your image and simply paste this prompt. You can take the screenshot or I have given a prompt in the description. You can copy from there. Okay, and simply click on send. And AI started working on your picture. Thank you guys for watching our videos, and if you haven't liked, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, then do it guys. Every week I come up with new prompts like this. So if you don't want to miss, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And you can see before one and the after one. It looks amazing. And to download picture, just click on the photo and simply click on save.